ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Hado Saipung ki Kenhuan Producers Group, Jongka Saipung Community and Rural Development Block, but Nrlm ki Self-Help Group, Kilayo Jingïarap Pisa na Sorkar Jela, Balabay Lyngba ka Community Investment Fund, Jongka National Rural Livelihood Mission. Haganigas ni Menteri Rangba Jela u Konrad Sangma u Balalong u Kongsan ula sam daka check syaki Saipung ki Producers Group Jongka Saipung Block kabalakot syaka arpu saulak kendai pesan hajar tengka but life holak tengka syaki Nrlm ki Self-Help Group. Nalor Menteri Rangba Jela lasaki lang dau Menteri Jongka Tenat Social Welfare ke Sorkar Jela uba Kermen Shela u MLA Barim Katany uba Hopeful Bamon u Deputy Commissioner Jongka East Giant Hills District u Abilash Baranwal ki nong yalam Jongka Shnong Laterke bat kiwei kiwei.
Gading kersan nak benta ba penseng ikam gijam gijongpi ni ba filayo kumba Prakror tam nak liang jong mission nila ban ai supi nak benta ba pentrai kam so ikam gijam ba kisnong gijongpi bat kalong ba snotan na so bangi iru ba Lyngba gading trai ba bahai gijongpi ni iru ba ki banks lami sakmat nak benta ban support dipi bangi ba kumasan crore Nrlm lak tingka SGs kila yo gading mentoy na ki banks ha ba ken la so kumlo ban penhe so ikam kijam gijongpi ban ikmi lenti ba kani le se kadai tang gading sedang ka beret kapana ka liang jong office ni persyang ipi mengin IP kan kata ka platform ha ka pen la ban pen I na ni kitalen gijongpi ba tiar gitar ge ba pishna halagi jong kitalen halagi jong gijingla gijongpi balengba kum kini ki program ikmi lenti ba pen la ban pen I gitu kam ge ba pilatre panang kmilanti ba pinang yo so kalat kalanti ha ka ba pinang yai beteng bat mentang penhe so ikam gijam gijongpi Lyngba ka jinga trai lang bat kiwe gi department
kani ka society yong I to ka society wa pai wa hiar penting ha ki bei ka mo ha ki kan thai mo tani te dau is yang sorong wi ong wa kani ki practice ki yong I man ko kerpang hado ka te te hijui por le Lyngba ka jing em yo ka sarkar India di ilat do Lyngba ka ni ga Nrlm wo include leni tumsia yapi po yung ka Nrlm da wo form hi group ki wo pair mana form hi group wo pair yo pi ka platform
some kind of a direct intervention, and that is why we have started this program called Focus. So today there are two parts to the program. One is Focus program, the second is the Nrlm program. So we started this Focus program with the objective of giving direct benefit to 4.5 lakh families that depend on agriculture in our state. The 4.5 lakh families, over 200 crores, will be released directly to the farmers so that they can get some financial help and support from the government. But there was a simple rider on it, that this money that we give will not be given in the personal accounts, because sometimes we have a habit that if it is given in the personal account, we may use it for personal work. If there are 20 members in the producer group, you will get 1 lakh rupees as a group. And every family that is into farming will get 5,000 rupees per family. But that can go only to 1 member of the house, not to 2 members or 3 members. Road will help the children to reach their school and other places. So road is the most important development we need. Once road comes, other developments do follow. So therefore, I would like to tell our headmen and others of this village that I give my commitment to you. Immediately, I would request my team that has followed with me from Chief Minister's Secretariat to please make a note of this and ensure that the necessary documentation is done immediately when we get to the office so that the administrative approval can be given and we can start the road work at the earliest. I would request my hopeful also to kindly follow up on this so that we can ensure that this road is completed at the earliest.
Next, Nuksawa pa producer group Nrlm. Hagaju Saipung Marutua Organization Menteri Deputy Kodi ke Saipung hadir ke Saipung ke Menteri BO Ega jing kumlay ke wajur bhai